This is Sosso, the Uber driver, is on the mic right now. A short video that I'm gonna do. You're gonna see it playing. It's about a lady crossing the street. Sometimes, you have to be a good driver. Be safe when you're driving on the street, especially when you're doing Uber like me, or if you're driving every day for work. Like people that making delivery and stuff. You have to be careful when you're driving. You gotta drive for yourself and for the people around you. Um, as you can see, it's about a lady that is crossing the street, but she was crossing the street between cars. It is something that you should not do because and you're gonna see in the video, like, she came up to the intersection. She doesn't even stop because she realized that the other line of traffic stopped on her side, but she forgot that there's another line of traffic because it was on a two-way street. You have to be careful. She was jogging, and thank God I was driving carefully, and I spotted her about crossing on the other line, and then, hey, I saved her life. That's the reason why I do this channel, so that I can share with y'all what happened to me on the street. Thank God, so far, been driving for 6 years, nothing happened yet. Thank God. All right, I'll see you guys on the next video.